Hey guys, welcome to another video of Tech Lab. If you are like me and is still using an old laptop from 2009 or 2010, a problem you might face. Your disk space is running out. What do? I have this laptop which I bought from an older brother who lives in my building, which was totally broken and nothing was working perfectly. The motherboard of this laptop had issues, the power adapter had issues, the display was flickering, and the display connection was broken. The front headphone and microphone jack doesn't work. The battery doesn't work. The hard disk doesn't work. So I had to do a lot of work to get this thing up and running. Now, as you guys can see, it works perfectly, but not perfectly enough. So what I did after fixing up everything of this laptop, I installed a 32 GB SSD which I had lying around in my drawer. It was from an old MacBook and the interface was mSATA, which is very rare in laptop or desktop. So I had to buy a mSATA to SATA converter to connect the SSD to this laptop, and it's working very well. But the problem is the storage space is very low for modern day operating systems. When I installed Windows 10 on this laptop, it only left me with around 5 GB of free space, and trust me, it's very less for installing any software at all. I have installed some light applications on this laptop and I have left only 3.25 GB of free space. Because having a very little space on the SSD, I am having a lot of problem running this operating system. In order to run any operating system on your laptop, desktop, or even on your phone, you have to assign a certain amount of cache memory from your internal hard disk or SSD, which is used by the operating system to store any cache data. When your device runs out of internal space, it becomes slower, it becomes laggy, and sometimes it crashes altogether. When your laptop, desktop, or phone's RAM becomes full, the operating system stores the background application's data to your internal memory or your hard disk, SSD, etc. If it can't do that, it becomes laggy and it crashes. So you see, the cache memory is very important. I'm going to install an additional hard disk to this laptop to increase the storage space and also increase the cache memory of my device. Don't forget to like this video. If you don't like this video, YouTube is not going to recommend this video to others, and this channel will not grow. So the problem I'm having right now, I'm not going to replace the SSD to install a hard disk because it's really slow. I don't have additional hard disk space in this laptop. So what can I do to install additional hard disk? I'm going to replace the optical drive of this laptop with this one. It's called a Caddy. It has a space to install your 2.5-inch hard drive or SSD inside it. So let's do it. Turn off your computer, disconnect all the cables, then flip it. Important thing, remove the battery. It's very important. Remove the battery. For my laptop, I have to take off one screw to detach my DVD writer. We have to disconnect the plastic from this DVD writer to make the transformation undetectable. Let's unbox this Caddy. It has some screws and a screwdriver inside. Now we are going to install our 2.5-inch hard drive, which is from Toshiba, and it's a 320 GB hard drive. I got it from an old laptop which I am not using right now, and you have to use this rubber to secure it inside the Caddy. Now insert the battery into your laptop and flip it up. We are done. As you guys can see, the 320 GB hard drive is showing up on my computer, and I'm going to assign this hard drive as a cache memory to my operating system. To do that, I have to go to properties of my computer, get into properties by doing this or by doing this. Then go to advanced system settings, then go to settings, then go to advanced. What I am going to do is to give a custom size of the paging file or cache file. I'm going to assign it as 10,000 megabyte and press set, and it's active. Now press OK and press OK. Press OK. It wants to restart my computer, then press restart now. After restarting your computer, the page file or the cache is set and running. Now you can use all the software you need without crashing your computer. It would have been better if I could assign the SSD as the cache memory or page file memory. I couldn't do that. It's going to be slow time to time, but it will not completely crash my computer. By using this kind of Caddy, we have increased the laptop storage space and also stopped my laptop from crashing. So guys, that is all for today. Don't forget to like this video. If you don't like this video, YouTube is not going to recommend this video to others, and this channel will not grow. If it doesn't grow, I couldn't make money, and if I couldn't make money, I will not be able to make interesting videos. So please like and subscribe this video, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. See you guys in the next one.